How to contact BetMGM customer support in seconds. There is a very easy way to contact the customer support both for US and the UK regions. Now, if you're on the US, go to betmgm.com, select your respective region and account and log in. Then, on the top right hand side, you can see Help and Customer Care. So just go to Help and Customer Care from the top right hand side. After you've done that, on the next page, you'll find this option called Contact Us button. So click on the Contact Us button right there, and there you can see the option to contact them via email or via their live chat feature. So based on what you want to do, click on the live chat option and you will be granted to a person from BetMGM. Now, if you're on the UK, it's a very simple URL. You just have to go to betmgm.co.uk/support. I repeat, betmgm.co.uk/support, and there you'll find the option called Help Center and Live Chat. So of course, you can just click the live chat button to talk to the customer representative from BetMGM UK. I hope this video helped you as to how you can contact customer support in seconds on BetMGM. If you have got any further questions, feel free to of course leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.